There are a lot of videos out there explaining this zero views issue, but after watching a couple of videos, I come to understand nothing really explaining you what is going wrong, or nothing actually telling you the right solution. They are all just giving some content or creating something. So if you follow it, you will definitely get your channel deleted. So I am creating this video to explain you what is the burn stages and why it is a burn stages and how it is happening and how you can come out of it. Because I also get this zero base problem in my one of the channel, and after understanding this, I recovered my channel. So you can also do it. So if you want to recover your channel, watch this video completely. Okay. So if your video is getting stuck at zero views, then you need to first understand this. You are not becoming bad at YouTube. And most people think they did something wrong or they think something is bad. So they start to upload some new content or try to upload more content. So it is definitely going to affect in a bad way. So today's video I am going to explain how the reach is getting zero. Because I also had 30k views, 40k views, then suddenly zero views. So I will explain you why this is happening. So what is burn actually? So burn is not a punishment. It is like YouTube protecting the viewers. So what is the YouTube goal? It is like the audience should stay in the YouTube for a long time after watching your content or enjoy your content. So when the users start watching your content less or clicking your content less or skipping faster, YouTube slowly reduces how much it does to your video. So this reduction is like a deprioritization of your channel is called ban. So it is happening because four important reason maybe. So I will explain each one. So first thing will be repetition without novelty. So the what that does mean? Repetition. So using the same hook or same phrasing, like same format or same idea over and over again. Like you're uploading 10 different shots, but we are having the same hook or you're having the same pacing and same idea. So that make the viewers get bored with your content. So they will start watching very less. So it will stop pushing the content. So the second possible thing is over uploading. So imagine you are uploading the videos daily one time. Suddenly you are start uploading 3 videos in a day. So YouTube algorithm get confused with your upload and YouTube take that as a bad signal and stop pushing your video. Maybe it consider you as a bot. It will not happen in one day. Maybe it will have check your behavior for next 1 week. If you keep doing that, then you will definitely get zero views. And third possible will be low viewer satisfaction signal. So what that doesn't mean? Like viewer watching a video very less or low retention, they are not coming back again. Or they are skipping your intros, or they are skipping your end, or they are ignoring your notifications. YouTube did not guess, like it will measure your watch time, average retention rate, click through rate, everything. You need to check each everything before getting the zero views. What actually gone? Check your last 5 videos. There you will find, like, do you have the problem with watch time or retention, or your subscriber did not come and watch your videos because you uploaded something new and they did not, or you are using the same hook, they are avoiding it. So you need to understand what went wrong before getting the zero views. So the fourth possible way will be reused our social media content. Most of the people think if you get content from my Instagram or Pinterest or TikTok and upload it on in YouTube, you will earn the money. No, Instagram algorithm also will not allow you to upload the content from other medias. So the thing is, it will go deep check. Like even you do editing, you remove the watermark. The algorithm knows it is reused content because it will check, it will scan it. So when it is identified, you are using the reposted content. Then YouTube will not test your next video. So these four things definitely causing the burn stages. So you have to check your video and find out what actually going wrong. So next I will be explaining what are all the burn stages. So we have three burn stages. First one will be mild burn. So this happens when your audience get bored with your content. Like they don't get interested with your content because you are using the same thing, or you are changing the content. Like you are starting the channel for a sports content and you are uploading some entertainment content. That like audience get tired with your content, or you are uploading the content regularly too much, like in a day you are uploading 5 shots in a day or 5 video in a day. So that definitely sends a bad signal. So what YouTube will think in your burn stage, like the content is okay, but audience is not showing the interest. So what you can do if you are stuck with this mild burn stage? So stop uploading for 1 week. Reduce your uploads. Like after 1 week, only upload one video per week if it is a video. If it is a shorts, upload only one time in a day or three time, sorry, after 3 days one time. Okay, the stage is your warning sign. Okay, if your channel in a mild burn stage, you can record it quickly. So next stage will be slow burn stage. So it is happening because your retention is very less, and this is definitely for the people who post their content from social medias, other social medias, like copying content from the Instagram, Pinterest, and doing some mild editing and trying to get the views in YouTube. So YouTube put your videos in a section like we don't confidently know who the owner of this content. Nobody claimed it, but YouTube still knows it is a reposted content. So what you can do is instead of posting someone else's content, you can do your own editing. You can get the clip from the original source and you can do your own editing. So what you can do is you have to pause your upload for 2 weeks. Like 7 to 14 days, you can stop your upload, and you have to upload very slowly. Upload one proven format. Like you can try like Saturday, Sunday you can upload one video, and next Saturday, Sunday you can try again. And instead of posting a lot of content, just try to post only one video and check how the retention is. Like how users are showing interest in your content, or how much people are coming again to watch your content. Most people panic here because you will upload a lot of videos but you will get zero views. Because mild burn stage is a proven thing, like your content don't bring any value. So patience is the fix. You have to change your strategy. You should not try to claim that someone worked for it. So you have to change the niche. If you are focusing on reposted content, change the niche or create a new channel and post your own edited content. That one only will save you. Now let's move to the hard burn, or like suppression level, high level of effect. So this is like you are uploading 50 videos and you are getting zero views, 50 views, minimum 100 views for a long time. So this prove you are under a hard burns stage. Like it is like you are just putting someone's work near duplicated content or a minimal transitions, automated behavior pattern. Like daily you are trying to put 3 to 4 videos. So this will send the signal as a low platform value. You are not trying to build anything here, you are just trying to spam it. So YouTube totally close your processing. So what you can do is you can stop uploading for 1 month or 2 month. 30 to 60 days you can close it. You should not upload. You should regularly use the YouTube, but you should not upload it. Like a normal person, you have to use it. Don't like spam your YouTube channel as well. Like watching different videos, like using it to expede. No, just watch like a human and leave some comments, react it. Don't renew as a bot. Okay, fully change content structure, because your content did not bring any value. That's why you are under a hard burn stage. So you have to change that, or you can start a new channel. I advise you, if you are in a hard burn channel and you are not serious about YouTube, then pick up another niche if you really want to become a YouTuber. If not, then just give up, okay? This is not a failure. If you really have an interest, then you can pick one good niche and you can work on it. So let's move to the next thing. Most people do this mistake. When they see zero views, they think maybe next video I will get good views. Maybe next I will get good views. So they start uploading a lot. That really sends a bad signal. Uploading more will not build the trust again. And YouTube did not need your video again and again because it already pinned your channel, like it is in the stage. So you have to work to recover it, did not demolish it. Okay? Only good viewer signal will recover your channel. So you have to pause your uploads based on the burn stage you are in. Then You have to slowly recover your channel. So what I will do if my channel again get under the zero views issue, I will study the burn stages carefully and study the retentions and not the views. I will come with one good video, confident video, and upload slower than before. Like I will not rush the upload and let the system or the algorithm relearn my audience. I will let the system to learn it. I am coming with good content that will definitely engage with the user. So if you come with one strong video, it will definitely undo week of damages. So my honest advice for the reposted content channels. So this channel will grow fast. Like you will get the views quickly, even it's a shorts or videos, but it will burn too fast because you are using someone's content. So it is a reality. I'm not saying something that does not exist. If you use someone content, not today, but tomorrow you will be in a problem. You will build the community, you will build the audience, but one day your channel will get banned. So go with originality. If you are really interested in that field, then get the original content, non-copyrighted content, and apply your own edits. So zero views does not mean your journey stop on the YouTube. So it means you have to come with a new strategy and new format and start with the YouTube fresh. So I hope this helps you and you can recover your channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, you can comment your doubts in the comment section.